Everyone, sir and ma'am. So this is Manish Singh from CSE IOT, roll number 31, and other details of are here present in this PPT presentation. You can see it over there. So my topic is opinion mining using deep learning. So now let's come to the point. What is opinion mining? Or you have heard about sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis or opinion mining basically tells about the behind. It basically tells extract emotions or tone behind the piece of a text. Suppose example, the camera build quality is very good. So here it is talking about that here it justifies that the statement is positive. Suppose if I say the camera build quality is good but the battery life is low, so the battery life here it is talking about negative. It is a negative statement. So it generally, what it does, that it generally extract the emotion. Basically it detects the emotion or tone behind a piece of a sentence or text. So which is called sentiment analysis. But sentiment analysis or opinion mining is a little bit difference in between them. Sentiment analysis is generally talks about whether the statement is positive, negative, or neutral, and positive, negative, neutral. That's it. And opinion mining tells about who said and to whom said, and at about which aspect we are talking about it. It basically work in a long genre. So like suppose suppose the camera build quality is good but the battery life is low. So here it is talking about the specific aspect of camera build quality, about how the build quality, it is good, bad, it is talking about that. So I hope you get it. And sentiment analysis is that is generally it tells about positive, negative, or neutral. That's it. So this is the problem statement and objectives. Robust sentiment analysis basically developed a system for sentiment detection, automatically extract and classify opinions, whether it is true, good, positive, negative, whether it is. Now come to the implementation details, like data pre-processing and data collection. So here are some steps like text cleaning. So text cleaning is basically in a sentence or phrases many irregular texts were used, or punctuations like emojis. So basically we have to remove that, so that the model can work very optimizely and enhance the most of it, or perform a better accuracy. And tokenization, the suppose the keywords, suppose the camera build quality is good, or suppose take another statement, I love AI. So basically deep learning models that cannot directly understand text, so basically we have to convert the text into numerical part. So for that we use tokenization process. Tokenization is basically normally suppose taken as a statement, I love AI. I is here I is identified as 1, love is identified as 2, and AI is identified as 3. So and I love AI, first we have to we have a long statement, or whatever big long statement or normal words. So we have to divide the words into subwords or sub sentences, like I love AI. So I is identified as 1, love is identified as 2, AI is identified as 3. So yeah, tokenized person. And or we also called as texting vectors or embedding layer. So as we mentioned. And now come to the model architecture. CNN, embedding layer, convolutional layer, basically it extract the features from the images. It's called convolutional layer. And max pooling, it basically suppose the size of the image is very large, so it reduces the dimensity and compensate with that of same patch size level. And lastly, fully connected layers, basically it predicts the final prediction and gives the output to us. Here the some of the accuracy and F1 score are mentioned over here. Accuracy 85% F1 score. To find F1 score, basically we have to find the harmonic mean of recall and precision. So we get it 0.83. And deploy for the we have not much deployed a full task, but we have tried something which I will show you now. So for deployment we used Flask because it is a very user friendly and easy lightweight web framework for coders to deploy very easily. So that's why we used Flask API, and we integrated the model, and rest the output is displayed over here. You can see sentiment analysis, and now comes back to the PPT part, presentation part. So now what challenges we faced and major deals with. So we deals with for making the model understand handling sarcasm are the things that we face difficulty, and for domain adaptation and real time listening, and for what let's talk about the future enhancement. What can we do for the in future? We can also add BERT mechanism. Basically BERT is used to um, helps in understanding of different multilingual languages, suppose 100 plus languages. So we for that understanding the term we use BERT, and XRM XLM robot for a better approach and better enhancing the accuracy. So we will use these models, BERT and XLM robot. And now come to the conclusion part. But before conclusion part, I will show you my deployment task over here. This is a sentiment analysis. Here you will comment Rahul is a good boy. It will analyze and give you a positive statement, right? So yeah, that's it. And now come to the conclusion. So yeah, conclusion is that deploy conclusion, deep learning offers powerful tools for opinion mining. It demonstrates and improved accuracy, flash deployment for real world applications. And basically I hope you will get the idea of opinion mining or sentiment analysis. Opinion mining talks about a very wider, a very broad on a large scale, like who said, or what they are talking about. Like suppose we are talking about the camera build quality, so the camera build quality is very good, but the sentiment analysis always tells about the whether the statement is positive or negative. Suppose camera build quality is very good, so it tells yes, the statement is positive. Or the camera build quality is good, but the battery life is low. Here the battery life we are mentioning is low, is talking about negative statement. So yeah, this is sentiment analysis and opinion mining. So yeah, that's it, and thank you so much. And I hope this is only a first one takedown video which I have just shoot. So don't judge me onto this. Or and I hope you will like the video. And yeah, I have not taken much. I have not taken much takes while shooting this video. So this is a raw first time take video. So I hope you will like it. And thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Thank you so much.